Hi all, I am Kapil Verma and this is the demo for DragonOS, which is an AI native operating system which basically over time learns about you, becomes intelligent, and finally becomes you. So this is an early prototype for it. So this one is currently on a VM, so you might get, I think, like it might get a bit lagged because it is running on a virtual machine. So let me start it. So it is currently in early prototype stage. So it is basically built on a Linux distro with as an application layer. So like it is currently a standalone application with like privileged access to the system. So let me show you with an example. So I come here and I type like write an file. Okay, so like yeah, so make a file named poem.txt and write a poem into it. So now let me just like make it a twist. So let's say to it like first write it and then give a new line and then write it from bottom to top. So now what it will do is like analyze the query and will basically pull from it like what are the agents it has to use and like how much is the context which should be given to an LLM to perform the task. And after that it will edit the it will first make the file and then later edit it, and then after that it will reverse the poem and then edit it again later. So we'll be able to see it in a less time. So like it will basically by default create it on desktop, and it might even not create it because I have not told it to make it on desktop. But yeah, it has done it like on desktop. So we come to the desktop, and here you can see there is poem.txt. We open it. It is running on a VM, so it's kind of slow currently, but you get it. Yeah, so there it is. So here poem.txt. So in the quiet night, stars whisper secrets, moonlight dances softly, dreams take flight. And then after that, it has like reversed it from bottom to top. So dreams take flight, moonlight dances softly, stars whisper secrets in the quiet night. So this is one example. And let me show you another one. It can also use the browser. So let me just say to it like, what are the latest advances in AI? So now what it will do is currently as you can see it is analyzing a request. So it will basically decide what are the agents it has to use, like how much is the context needed for it, and then it will open a browser and it will then go through them. Like now you will be seeing like yeah, it goes through many links. So it is checking the links and it will after this summarize all the content it has received, and then like it will give it to us like what are the latest advances in AI. So here as you can see it is reading through the links, multiple web pages, and after a while it will just like summarize them and it will give it them as an output. So it uses the browser by its own, like there is no human intervention. As you can see, these are my hands. So I'm not clicking something. I'm not clicking something. So it is doing on its own. So as you can see, it has like outputted like crunch response of latest advances in AI. And so like there is some context difference into it. So like it thought of it as 2024. We can like upgrade it also for 2025. So it says artificial intelligence. These, as you can see, like these are some of the 2025 news also there. And yeah, so that's the browser part. Another thing is you can also like code from it. So let me just say, write a basic React file in VS Code. So now what we will do is just same as like extract from the query what it has to do, what are the agents that it has to use, and then it will go into that and then make a file for that. So all these things are currently in early stages. So you can see it has done a basic React.jsx, but yeah, so I think it has edited it, but it has not been updated here. So let's just go to the desktop. It is saying file has been created and the command has been executed. So let's just check on, yeah, so here you can see basic react.jsx. If you open it, yeah, you can see there the code has been written, but it is not showing in VS Code because like it doesn't currently have access to some of those things, but you get it, like, so it can basically use the tools. It is currently a much early prototype, so I am trying to build it fully as a native OS. And so yeah, one more thing is, let me just show it to you. So it can also make PPT. So let me just say, I am creating Dragon OS in AI native operating system. And I am raising a funding round for it, which is pre-seed. So make an pitch deck presentation for this. So now I have given the query to like make an PPT or maybe like a pitch deck for you like eventually it will be the pitch deck I'll be sending you. So if you are watching the demo, then like the pitch deck you have got it like is mostly the one I'll be creating here. So I'll make a few changes into that, but it will be mostly this one. So now what it will do is just same as before. It will decide what agents to use and then make the PPT and then will update the information in that. So let's wait for it. So yeah. Okay, so I have like not made it clear for the PPTX, so it has made an MD file, .md file. So let me just change it to like make an .pptx file. So now it will make it into an PowerPoint presentation sort of file. So currently it is just an initial like scrappy prototype just to like show what has to be there, and it currently also does not have like many functionalities. The main of course is a memory, and then other are the like the orchestration engine, which is like most important part. The orchestration engine is there currently, but it's like much early, like maybe like the earlier phase from the beginner also. Like it is like a much earlier engine into it. So like that has to be there, and yeah. So those are the things. So you can see like it has went to Google to like just see how to convert MD files to PPTX. So this is something I had not even like implemented. It has like just done it by itself. I don't know like how it has done. So you can see like it is even uploading your file. Yeah, like this is the first time I'm seeing this. I don't know, like I had not told it to like do this, but it has done it on like, yeah, I had not implemented this one, but it's nice. Like it took the query as in like how to convert MD files to PPTX. So yeah, it's a good one, I think. But yeah, so that's it about DragonOS. So yeah, I'm raising for it. Thank you. Cheers.